Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Double Down and I'm back with another video. So today I want to talk about a topic that a lot of my friends have been asking me, and just in general, like a lot of comments that I've been getting. How much cryptocurrency should I have? How much XRP should I have? How much Litecoin should I hold to become a millionaire? How much? That's the question, right? So I want to address that in a quick video and kind of go over the top 4 cryptocurrencies, ETH, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and XRP. So how much should you have? How much should you need or should you invest in right now for it to become, say, $1 million? Let's go ahead and take 1 year time frame, and then we'll take another 4-year time frame. Again, you guys do your own research. Every investment is a risk. Please, only invest what you can lose and what you're comfortable with putting in. Again, this is based on analyst prices in my opinion. So this is in no way, hey, do this and you'll get guaranteed $1 million. This is just basically the numbers that I want to show you and what people have been asking me, how much you should put in and what it will yield in a year based on the trend and what we are predicting. So let's go ahead and jump into the numbers, and we go ahead and start out with XRP first. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys on a spreadsheet exactly what you guys will need and where you guys will be if you guys invest. All right, guys. So basically, let's look at this price chart that I have. So we're going to go ahead and take XRP. What's XRP at right now? We're going to say 55 cents. That's what it's at right now. In 1 year projection, I possibly think that it will go to $10. And that's a reserve estimate, but based on analysts and a good, not crazy number like 500, I think a reserved estimate will be $10. Now, in 4 years projection, I say that it could go to $30. Now, if you were to try to become a millionaire in 1 year, obviously you guys will need 100,000 XRP times $10 to become 1 million. Now, how much is 100,000 XRP going to cost you? It's going to cost you $55,000. I know everyone's not going to have, $55,000 just laying around to invest, or even if they do, they're not comfortable with putting $55,000 into an investment. Again, more risk, more reward, but some people are comfortable with that, some people are not. So say that you guys have a little more time and say, hey, let's wait 4 or 5 years and see what my investment will turn out to be. Now, at that point, you guys will only need 33,500 XRP. Now, if you guys buy that at the current price and wait for the 4 years with the projection of $30, you guys will be looking at about $18,425 investment today. I know that's far less than 55,000 and the wait is longer, but some people are more willing to make that investment at a lower risk and wait that time frame. Again, this is just because I'm getting questions about, what will make me a millionaire. So that's the reason I'm answering. And I know a lot of people cannot invest $18,000 at this point, but start with what you're most comfortable with. Again, if you invest $0, you're gonna get a return of $0. So it's basically how much you guys, even if you guys are willing to invest $500 or $1,000, you guys will see some type of return in the future. And that's basically the name of the game. You got to invest something to see some type of return. Now, if we look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin's price is already at 6,500. So you guys can already tell that the investment is going to be a way bigger investment. At 6,500, I believe in 1 year, it could hit about $25,000. At 25,000, you guys will need about 40 Bitcoins. 40 Bitcoins today will cost you $261,000, which is huge. It's a very, very high amount. And I'm sure people who are watching my channel are not, the type of people to just put $261,000 watching me. So this is a way, way bigger investment. And in about 4 years, I project it to go about $50,000. At that point, you guys clearly only need 20 Bitcoins. So if you guys buy 20 Bitcoins, you guys will need about $130,000. Again, that is way beyond what a lot of people can put into it. So that right there is not the best financial move. Next, we're going to look at Litecoin. Litecoin is at $60 right now. I project in 1 year it could hit around $600, With $600, you'll need about 1,666 Litecoins. At 1,666 Litecoins, it's going to cost you almost $100,000. Again, that's a very, very steep price to pay. However, we're looking at a possibility of making $1 million. Now, if you guys could wait a couple years, I think it could possibly hit 4,000. If it can hit 4,000, if you guys have 250 Litecoins, you can make that happen. And 250 Litecoins will cost you about $15,000 at the current price. Again, that's a little more affordable than 100,000, but still somewhat of a risk. Now, ETH. ETH, we're looking at $225 at the current price. And in 1 year, I believe it'll go to about $1,500. In 4 years, we can say around $12,000. You will need 667 coins right now, or 84 coins if you're trying to wait for the 4 years. The investment to try to become a millionaire in 1 year is $150K, whereas if you try to wait it out, it's about $18,750. So these are just the numbers that I wanted to give the people who are asking me, how much should I have, or how much do I need to become a millionaire? Again, you guys can invest whatever you're comfortable with. It's not necessarily saying you'll be a millionaire in a year or 3 years, but it depends on where you're trying to be comfortably. Some people don't need to be at $1 million to be comfortable. You know, they're good with making a $100,000 return. That just depends on the ratio you want to invest in and what you want to invest in. Again, these are the top 4 cryptocurrencies and where I see them going in 1 year versus 4 years. So if you guys are willing to invest in, you know, coins that are still in the cents and expect them to blow up, again, that's another investment you guys can make, which is also risky. Any investment is, any investment carries a big risk, whereas these 4 are slightly lower risk than coins that are like 1 cent. So I wanted to basically show you guys this and kind of tell you guys, invest at your own risk, do your own research, but it's never too late to get into it. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope that answered some of your guys' questions about what I should do, how much I should have. So other than that, if you guys want me to talk about some other topic, please leave a comment below and I'll get to that topic. Hope you guys have a good day. Thanks.